So for today we are having a breakfast and we want to going to our first destination is National Taiwan University. And now we are in the restaurant. Shasha having a breakfast.
And then animal science, but the professor today has some occupied, so he.
Merged an innovation this time that we have an application with four superior feeder. The first one is monitoring, marketplace, education, and consultation.
This is very simple.
Project try to reduce their.
He has used some necklace device to put it on their neck, so we can.
Behavior monitoring system, and it is based on computer math. The question is the feed.
And now we are taking a lunch.
到这一次，其实总统杯呢，我们就看到另外一个更重要的议题，因为其实我们团队长期在海外，就是有非常多的这些的行程。那我们这次在
Ya udah, nggak apa-apa sambil jalan-jalan.
Apa gue perjubai guys. Why?
Jangan dipilih. We are in a Taipei city, and yeah, as you can see in here, there's no crowd, and very beautiful because there are so many lamps in here and very different. Now we are waiting for our dinner. This is near from our hotel. Oh, sensor ya Pak, sensor. Buka kaca. That is the bathroom, and then this is the